Now we are on a next important topic, adjoint and inverse of a matrices. Now you already know how to find inverse. We have done in the last chapter in the matrices that inverse of a matrix can be found by elementary operations, elementary row operation or elementary column operation. Now here we are going to find inverse of a matrix with the help of determinants. Okay. Now we are now going to follow a certain condition for the existence of inverse, and that is we can find it by the determinants by a term that is adjoint. Okay. And adjoint is defined to find first condition to find the inverse. Okay. So let's define adjoint first. Adjoint of a matrix, adjoint of a matrix, what exactly adjoint is? What exactly adjoint is? Okay. So the adjoint now what the adjoint is? Okay. The adjoint of an element Aij is defined, the adjoint of an element Aij is defined. Now adjoint is always with a square matrix, it is always with a square matrix, is defined for a square matrix. Now we are having A is equal to Aij. The adjoint of an element Aij is defined as a transpose of, is defined for a square matrix as a transpose, of the given matrix. Okay. Now we can write it as Aij. Okay. We can write it A is equal to, right? A is equal to Aij, and I have written a square matrix, so naturally order will be n by n, n by n. Order will be same. When Aij is the cofactor element of Aij. Okay. Now what Aij is? Aij is the cofactor element of Aij. Okay, capital A, we have done it, it is denoted by Aij. Now suppose we are having A is equal to, now after finding the cofactors, okay, we are getting A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, okay, A31, A32, A33. Okay. Now what the adjoint is? One thing, adjoint is represented by adjoint A like this. Okay. Now A is equal to this, adjoint A is equal to transpose of A. Adjoint A is what? Adjoint A is transpose of this A. So now adjoint A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. So this is the thing, this is the adjoint. Okay. Once again we are having adjoint of a matrix. How it is defined? The adjoint of an element Aij is defined for a square matrix A is equal to Aij for the order n by n, as a transpose of Aij, okay, for same order. Aij is the cofactor of the elements of Aij and it is denoted by adjoint A, by adjoint of A, okay. So this is the adjoint.